complete and ready for eating of yours. So grab a chair and your fork. Alright viewers, as you can see, and the meat board right here. Trouble out here today. This not a normal look. How that pig's tail? Jesus. So you know say today we are going to stew some pig's tail. Red peas and all these things. Clean up pig's tail already. So we are going to put it on the fire for scald a little bit. You know if you get out that heavy salt there outside. This is a salty thing, you know. So you have to try to get rid of as much salt as you can, you see me? So we'll put it on the fire a bit. If you go on scald and boil up the cream in the pot. Yeah? Fire don't catch up already and all these things. I'll take you all through the process, viewers. So just stick here with me, please, and thanks. Alright viewers, see the fire did already catch up. Get a little rain in idea too. Yeah? Fire catch up, so I set on the pot now. Moment the pot a boil up, put in the pig's tail. Just like that. Pig's tail and roasting breadfruit. Trouble out here. Stew, pig's tail. No sir. Problem. See that viewers? Pot ready for the pig tail. Inside. Inside viewers, right, that's all. So I'm gonna make it go and boil out some of the salt a little, right? Continue and take it through the process. Just like that. Alright viewers, let's see what's popping. Wow, can't even see where it boil up. Yes sir. Alright, yes sir. You see that viewers? And that a boil. No, it's time to get the peas prepared. Right, that's alright. So the peas that. Washing it. Time to set on the peas. See that viewers, peas set on fire. As you can see, me just take off this. I go strain off this water, you know. Get rid of the water. Right, that's all. See the pig's tail? More water added to it. It's like you're washing it, viewers. So get out the salt because you just say can. They're coming like a can pork. Alright viewers, see there? Peas are boiled up. So chunk it. Yeah viewers, add some water to the peas. Trouble some of the meat to it, you know. The pig's tail. Yeah. See that viewers? Pig's tail cut up. About to add to the peas. Pressure them both together. Straight. Coconut cut up for blend. Yes sir. Alright, that's all. Alright viewers, see that? Right, that's how the peas come down, you know, so we are going to add the meat, you know. Yes, meat in a pot. Pressure it right now. So that I pig stale along with the peas. Cover it down and make it pressure. And from there now we take the next step. Season it up and so forth, you know. Watch our viewers, rain out here. Umbrella me have to draw for. Right, and everything pressure now, viewers. You see that there now peas and the pig stale pressure. So me have to add the seasoning. Seasoning. Seasoning add to that. Settings that go on outside here in the rain, huh? Rain, thunder, trouble. All. See that, viewers? Add some little spinach and add some coconut milk also. Trouble out here, you know, viewers. Rain out here, you know. I swear. Yes, sir. Right, that's how it come now. Now move till it done. That me and make it rain now. So rain, I do the rain. Me, I do me. Rain no bother me. Leave it and cook them now. Yeah. Fully seasoning of yours. To be honest, you don't see a problem out here. Sugar. Right, that's all. Right, that's all there for a moment, right? See that, viewers? It's raining, but it's still going down. Right down. It's a good look. Loving it. Show it. Right, let's go. I'll give it a 5 minutes. Go down. Then I ship it off. Plain land, you know, viewers, you see that? See that, viewers? What I have to take off right now. Straight downstairs. Alright, that's how I have to come with it. See that? That and that with. I have to just complete it on the downstairs now. I don't know. Rain on the outside. Trouble, you know, viewers. Right, viewers, see that? Breadfruit. You can see the pig stale. Add into the plate. You know, see a time to eat. See there? A lot remaining, which is right. Complete and ready for eating up yours. So grab a chair or your fork and do the right. Trouble.